Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Then click at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. Finally, tap on the month above, pick a date and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here select event and customize it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting and ending hour, choose location over here, click on while using the app or only this time, type in address and click on the correct one. You can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, click done and even change color. When you're ready, choose save at the top right corner and as you can see my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can always click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner, make your changes and tap on save again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it again, but this time click on those three dots at the top right corner, choose delete and tap on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe.